Good morning, students. In continuation of the ray optics, today we discussed some numerical problems on the mirror formula and magnification. Mirror formula is the relation between the focal length, object distance and image distance, whereas the linear magnification is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. So let us discuss the first numerical sum. A 6 cm lighted candle is placed 40 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. Determine the position and the nature of the image. Also calculate the height of the image. So in the examination there is no need of drawing the diagram. For convenience sake, I have drawn here a ray diagram to get the position and nature of the image, or to understand the nature, position and nature of the image. So you have to read carefully the numerical sum and you have to list down the given data in the sum. So according to the given sum, the object distance is given. U is minus 40 centimeter. The object distance is taken negative since the object distance is measured from the pole of the mirror and it is measured in a direction opposite to the direction of light. Focal length F, that is also minus 15 centimeter. First itself you apply the sign conventions. Applying a sign conventions, write the distances either positive or negative. Then to get the position of the image and nature of the image, you need to calculate the image distance as well as linear magnification. So here focal length is 15 centimeter, PF is 15 centimeter, FC is again 15 centimeter, PC, the radius of curvature, is 30 centimeter, and object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from the concave mirror. So already we have discussed in detail the image formation in various cases: object at infinity, object beyond C, object at C, object between F and C, object at F, and object between F and P. So this is the case wherein the object is placed just beyond C. So as per our knowledge, the image will be formed between F and C. Nature of the image is real, inverted and diminished. So using a mirror formula, that is a relation between the focal length, object distance and image distance, 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So we need to calculate here F and U are given, V is to be determined. So I do rewrite 1 by V equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. LCM is U into F. So U minus F divided by UF, that is a reciprocal of image distance V. Or V can be written as U into F divided by U minus F. Substituting the values for U and F to calculate V, that is image distance, minus 40, U is minus 40, F is minus 15, U is minus 40, minus of F is minus 15. If we simplify this, it amounts to be minus 24 centimeter. In other words, the image A dash B dash is formed in front of the concave mirror at a distance of 24 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. So here image distance V being negative, real image is formed. If image is formed in front of the concave mirror, the image is a real image. if the image is formed behind the mirror, the image formed is a virtual image. Since real image is formed, V amounts to be negative. So V being a negative, the real image is formed. Then we need to calculate the linear magnification. Linear magnification is M denoted by M. M equals to negative of a ratio of image distance to the object distance. So object distance is given, image distance we have calculated, taking the ratio, applying a sign conventions. Bear in mind, whenever you are working out the numericals, you have to apply Cartesian and new sign conventions and substitute the values in the formula. So linear magnification M equals to negative of V by U. So negative of V is minus 24, U is minus 40, which amounts to minus 0.6. Linear magnification is minus 0.6. Here M amounts to be less than 1 as well as negative. M being negative and M being less than 1. M being a negative, inverted image is formed. M being less than 1, diminished image is formed. Further, we have another definition for the linear magnification, that is M equals to H dash by H. Linear magnification is the ratio of a height of the image to the height of the object. Height of the image is A dash B dash, that is H dash. Height of the object is AB, that is H. Height of the object is given so that you can calculate the height of the image. Therefore, H dash equals to M into H. M is linear magnification, that is minus of 0.6 into height of the object is 6 centimeter. The product amounts to minus 3.6 centimeter. So height of the image A dash B dash, that is H dash, is minus 3.6 centimeter. This negative sign signifies that the image is inverted. So the next sum, a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter produces an image 3 times the size of the object. Determine the position of the object to be placed in front of the mirror. So in this particular numerical sum, the given mirror is a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, and object when it is been placed in front of the mirror, the image produced by the mirror is height of the image produced by the mirror is 3 times the height of the object. Suppose the object height is say 3 centimeter, the image height will be 9 centimeter, like that. Even in another case, if the object is placed in front of the mirror, the image will be formed behind the mirror. Nature of the image is virtual, erect and enlarged. In this case also, the height of the image amounts to be 3 times the height of the object, or magnification is 3 times. Solution. When a real image is formed, keeping the object in front of concave mirror, when the real image is formed, then the linear magnification M equals to minus V by U equals to minus 3. I'll write minus 3 because when real image is formed, it is been formed in front of a concave mirror, so the image distance is negative, and nature of the image formed will be real, inverted, enlarged 3 times that of the object. Therefore, I can write V equals to 3U. Using a mirror formula, 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. 1 by U plus substituting for V as 3U, taking the LCM as 3U, it amounts to 4 by 3U. That is 1 by F equals to 4 by 3U, or we need to calculate here the position of the object that is to be placed in front of the mirror, so that the magnification is 3 times. That's why U equals to 4 by 3 times F, 4 by 3 into substituting for focal length as a minus 15, the object distance amounts to be minus 20 centimeter. When virtual image is a form, then you have to take the object is placed in front of the mirror and the image will be formed behind the mirror. Nature of the image is virtual, erect, enlarged 3 times. That's why M equals to minus V by U equals to plus 3 I'll take, or V equals to minus 3U. Similarly, using a mirror formula, 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V, substituting for V as 3U, 1 by F amounts to be 2 by 3U, or U equals to 2 by 3F, or 2 by 3 into minus 15, which amounts to be minus 10 centimeter. Next one. Third sum. A linear object of height 5 cm is placed 30 cm in front of a convex mirror of focal length 10 cm. Determine the position, size and the nature of the image produced. So here, no need of drawing the diagrams in the examination. For convenience sake, I have drawn here the ray diagram to get the position and nature of the image. So given data is object distance minus 30 cm, focal length plus 10 cm. Focal length for convex mirror is positive, whereas concave mirror is negative. Using a mirror formula, 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V, or 1 by V. To calculate the image distance, I rewrite this 1 by V equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U, or U minus F divided by UF. UF is LCM, or V equals to U into F divided by U minus F, that equals to substituting the values for U and F to determine V. U is a minus 30, F is a plus 10, and U is minus 30 minus 10, F. Therefore, V is a minus 300 by minus 40, minus minus held cancel, and V amounts to be plus 7.5 centimeter. In other words, here the image A dash B dash is formed at a distance of 7.5 centimeter behind the convex mirror. Image distance V being positive, virtual image is formed. Image distance V being positive, virtual image is formed. Since the image is formed behind the mirror, that's why V is positive and virtual image is formed. Then linear magnification, M is a minus V by U. So already U we know and V we have calculated, taking the ratio of image distance to the object distance, minus of 7.5 minus 30, which is equals to plus 0.25. So here linear magnification, M being a positive, erect image is formed, and linear magnification M being a less than 1, a diminished image is formed. So you need to solve some more numerical sums. Refer to the solved sums in the textbook. So whenever you are working out the numerical sums, you have to make use of these mirror formula and formula for linear magnification, applying sign conventions. Thank you.